Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash a like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin pulling back again. This is a daily chart for Bitcoin. Real quick before we jump into this, $500 Bitcoin giveaway is tomorrow. Make sure subscribe to the channel. I got a bunch of people watching the channel and they're not subscribed. Subscribe to the channel. Like the video. Leave a comment in the comment box for a chance to win. Again, I'm going to take a comment from 7-day period and give away $500 in Bitcoin. So this is a Bitcoin daily chart. Again, swing high target I'm looking for $67,000 to $70,000 Bitcoin. I've got a chart in this video I'm going to go over with you by a member of my trading group. Looking like we could get a target of about $192,000 Bitcoin in this cycle, in this bull market. Blow off top. These end in blow off tops, guys. So people that reach out to me and like, Chris, this is huge pullback and da 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 da. I'm like, yeah, but we just had it here too, right? Happens. This is part of it. It's possible we're forming this descending triangle. And you know, if you do get a break lower, you get this falling wedge similar to this one. There's potential here. So if Bitcoin just ranges for a little bit, I mean, these alt BTC pairs can take off. Altcoin spring's coming. We've got a ton of money to be made in this market going forward. Remember, buy the dips that scare you. This is a Bitcoin 4-hour chart. If $44,000 Bitcoin doesn't hold right here, then we're looking for 41,000. So, I mean, this would be that falling wedge idea that we talked about. I mean, right now, price action just came down and touched this. I mean, this could be, like I talked about, a descending triangle. You know, it'd be nice to see the bulls put in a bounce here, and we get this little relief rally up here to this upper trend line. You know, the bulls had to put in a higher high for this to be real bullish, right? Right now, you've got your high, and we need a higher high as far as the trend change. Zooming in. 15-minute chart, collecting data every minute of every day. Here's what I'm looking for. So this falling wedge broke to the downside. Here's the support level. Bulls need to hold here. Okay. Now, I set some alerts down here at 42,700, 4,900, and even 37,900. Okay. If, you know, I'm essentially scaling in buys down at these levels for Bitcoin. I mean, it would be amazing to get $37,000 Bitcoin. I don't know if it's going to happen. All eyes on Bitcoin. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This young lady was in an Aeon setup and she made $6,500 in a super tough market. This person was able to pay off all of his credit cards, life-changing money. Like, it seems like the American dream is to be in as much debt as possible and live a life maybe you can't afford. People use these credit cards and they get overextended. I've been there years ago, right? And so you get all those paid off and it's just like, man, financial freedom right there. Like not having a bunch of debt. Get out of debt. This person joined the group, had $22,000. Now, total balance, $131,000. What this has turned into, this channel has turned into is how can I help as many people be as profitable as possible in this market? Because once you understand these ideas that we talk about on a regular basis, the game changes completely. This is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetimes. You got to make the most of it. All these people, all these traders are brand new. They didn't have any experience trading this market at all. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, if you pay in crypto right now, it's 50% off. So go to my website, cryptorev.net. Who remembers Cardano, ADA, booming? Posted this on the 24th. 14,000 people saw this video. And you can see ADA, buy the breakout. Let's go. 29% profits in one day for ADA. Huge. This is a large cap coin. I mean, that's a ton of money for a large cap. Shout out to Trip in my trading group. This gentleman, he made a chart that essentially shows the bull run, the previous bull run from 2015, went on through 2016, 17, and finally peaked out about 2018. So his idea here is similar price action. And you see these two pullbacks that Bitcoin had in 2017. And so he basically says, here we are on these two pullbacks. If this bull run is exponentially explosive as last bull market, right? The target up here at the 18,618 fib level, fib extension level, is $192,000 Bitcoin. I'm not trying to be Babe Ruth and predict these home run shots, but there's a ton of upside ahead for this market, right? These pullbacks are just part of it. If you survived this last pullback, you're going to be fine in this pullback, right? Just listen, do not sell, no weak hands. This is buy the dip season. Let's go. UNFI, and I got some news on this too. I gave you guys this setup on the 24th, 2 days ago. 14,785 people saw this. 71% profits this thing peaked out as. Like these DeFi coins, these small caps, coins you've never even heard of, Bake, Cake, UNFI, all these coins have tremendous amount of upside. They're not as heavy as Bitcoin, Ethereum. Like those coins are going to move, that these move exponentially more. SEC comes out and they suspended, this is stocks. They suspended multiple stocks and issuers based on social media and trading activity. They're saying, hey, these 15 companies have been essentially suspended because of questionable trading and social media activity. Alpha Finance Lab rallied after integrating with Compound and Binance Smart Chain. Again, Binance Smart Chain has been on fire. Anything involved with Binance Smart Chain has been running hard. This is Coinbase Pro. This is the premium index. And so now the premium on Coinbase Pro has increased considerably. And so what does this mean? This indicates that the market is being led by institutional spot demand rather than futures or retail. Like the big money is here. They're buying this dip. You should too. Grayscale comes out and they're going altcoin crazy. They're getting ready for altcoin spring. Watch this. New potential products. Aave, BAT, ADA, Link, Comp, Atom, Mana, EOS, FIL, FLOW, Maker, Monero, DOT, RSR, STX, SUSHI, SNX. I got a SUSHI setup. It hasn't exploded yet, but it's ready. It's ripe. It's ready. The Graph, Uniswap, Yearn Finance, Tezos. Even here's the article on it. They confirm they're considering making new products. Who's this guy? Anybody know this guy? Anybody? He's 33 years old. He is behind a project called ADA. His name is Charles Hoskinson. And ADA's market cap was $40 billion. $40 billion. 33 years old. This guy is really a marketing genius. Like the way he has everything set up with ADA, there's always something coming out. You have these like named upgrades. Everybody gets super excited about it, and they just keep rolling out one after the next, and it just kind of keeps the hype train going. And so that's important to understand. Like that's what you look for. Now, Mary launches on the 1st, and so if there's some type of traders do take profit, potentially this price run up for ADA continues, and then there's some profit taking before that date. So keep an eye on that idea. Again, this is UNFI. Unify Farms beta is alive. So now your tokens never have to leave your wallet. There's no staking of the liquidity token required. You just jump in, be the first to farm. It's live. Let's go. ZilSwap, I got a setup on this for you near the end of the video. Start collecting your ZWAP rewards by participating in the liquidity pool. ZilSwap, I'm telling you guys, these DEXs, DeFi, farming, liquidity, booming. AirSwap, AST. News came out just a little bit ago. A decentralized network dedicated to frictionless trading. So this is an idea where members are rewarded for creating AirSwap improvement proposals, which steers the network. Seems like news, but not anything big. However, AST had the setup posted previously on the 24th, 2 days ago. Falling wedge. These guys are amazing, right? You got bullish divergence. Falling wedges with bullish divergence are epic. At support. This red line's a point of control. You're looking for a bounce there. High probability of bounce, and you're running out of room in your falling wedge. Boom, 27% gains after the breakout by AST. Ethereum. Let's look at Ethereum. So Ethereum, whoa, man, this thing's hanging on barely. I wonder if we got some type of falling wedge here. Like this thing, I'll tell you what. I wonder if we get a falling wedge here. If that's the case, I mean, is there one more leg down to 1300 and then the breakout? Some type of relief bounce. We see a move back up in this area. Again, for this to be bullish, we need to see a break of all-time highs. Bull run ready. Now there's some possible bullish, exaggerated bullish divergence right now. Possible. I mean, as long as this can hold, potentially maybe you see a breakout for Ethereum, but hanging on by a thread. EGLD, this thing has been a beast. It was up to $207. $207. Let's see what kind of retrace this is. If you guys don't know how to use fibs, these are epic, right? This can give you a really good idea as far as where to buy these coins. Like this had a 786 retrace, right? 0.786. It's a 78% retrace right here. Like that's a deep retrace. Right? So the idea is you have a higher probability for a bounce at this level, right? This falling wedge. Buy the breakout of EGLD. This thing, Moon Edition. It's going back to 200. It's going back to 200, but it needs to break out first. 1 inch. You guys get a second chance on this. This thing broke out, and it's kind of stalled here. But I talked to you guys about this, and Bitcoin pulled back, and then it pumped again. Like this thing, at one time it pumped, it was up 37%. I gave you guys the setup previously, right? So now what you're looking for, what would be ideal entry would be some type of retest. But if you don't get that, buy the breakout of this level. 1 inch, listen, it's DeFi. It's a decentralized exchange aggregator. It's going to shop around for the best prices, right? You want coins on Uniswap. You want coins on SUSHI. Like it's gonna shop around for the best prices of these cryptos on decentralized exchanges. I think it's a great idea. This bad boy, SUSHI, hasn't taken off yet. You almost have, look at this. Looks like an Adam Eve double bottom. Like, why hasn't this broken out yet? Listen, there's a ton of upside here. Like I said, $50 SUSHI is coming. Reminder. Polka dot. Listen, all-time high was $41. Like the deals are getting better. You got this double bottom. Okay, could be this type of falling wedge, right? I mean, I'm just saying, listen, it's gonna run out of room here. Like all you got to do is grab Tradingview, grab CoinSwitch, chart this. When it breaks out, buy it. You're going to, and so then what you figure out is, well, how big of a move am I looking for, right? And so then you pull your fib like this. Let's say this is the bottom, right? And then, I mean, the common retrace or the common bounce level would be $36, right? There's a 20% bounce potentially right here. 20% bounce you're looking for, right? Even if it just bounces to the 0.5, you're still at $35. You got a 16% bounce. It's a good bounce. DOT, strong, tons of upside coming. Bakkt. So I just wanted to go over this idea with you guys and the reason why the bull run is going to be and continue to be epic and why it has been epic. Let me show you. This is basic attention token, right? We had setups here. I went over this with you. I gave you guys a setup. We had amazing upside, right? Here's another setup. Believe I gave it to you. I definitely posted in the trading group. So it's hit target 1 and target 2. Okay, great for Bakkt. There's this Brave, decentralized exchange. People are hyped up about it. But you had this rounded bottom, good technical pattern, cup and handle. Now, here's my point. This is your low, okay? Where the game changes is Bakkt has been getting destroyed. Look, it was all the way up here at 3,700 Satoshis. Look at this. Look at this downtrend. This thing got destroyed versus Bitcoin. Well, look what's happening now. This is a reversal pattern, right? The altcoin spring and altcoin season, you guys need to get some tanning lotion, right? Get some sunblock. Why? It's going to melt your faces off. Watch. I'm telling you, watch. It's coming. This is why. This bottom right here, this low, all of a sudden, after this huge, massive sell-off that we just talked about, all of a sudden, Bakkt is trending higher. Why? Because this is a higher low. Here's your high. This is a higher high. This is potentially your higher low. So we're looking for, guess what? Anybody? A higher high next. Right now it's time. It's time for these altcoins to start outperforming Bitcoin. Bitcoin potentially at some point goes sideways for an extended period of time. Is this it? Maybe. If that idea we talked about in the beginning, if this plays out and we have this just like extended sideways type movement for Bitcoin, like these altcoins are ready to blast off. People get bored of Bitcoin. When people get bored of Bitcoin, they go to the altcoins, right? People take Bitcoin profits and they put it in altcoins pump. That is what we're looking for. Do not get stressed out about these dips. Buy them. Zilliqa, let's go. Got a bull pennant here, right? You would buy the breakout to the upside. I have no targets. Let's add those. Targets. You see how I got this target? Look, reversal, 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 right? Whenever you have a support level and it reverses the trend, like that's a pretty strong support level, right? So you can see here's another one. This is kind of reversal, reversal, reversal. Okay. And then here's another one. So this is how you get your targets. This is where everybody else takes profits at, right? So we're going to do the same. Zilliqa's targets, right? So if this breaks out higher, that's what you're looking for. Buy the breakout. Zil Swap is live on zilswap.io. Let's go, Zil. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.